Determine the position for installing the cabinet. Drill holes at the anchor points and install expansion bolt assemblies. Place the insulating spacer and the base on the floor. Slightly tighten the bolts. Use a level bar to measure the levelness of the base. Adjust the screws under the base to keep the base level. Use the M12x35 bolts to connect the installation block to the base. If the resistance is greater than or equal to 5 megohms, you can infer that the base is insulated from the ground and that it passed the test. At the front of the cabinet, fasten the cabinet to the base by using M12x25 bolts. Then, use the torque wrench to tighten the bolts to 45 Nm.